Darylyn is, I introduced Darylyn again to all those who don't know her. She came into my shop a couple of weeks ago, and I was just so impressed. I don't want to embarrass you.
That's okay.
She has done some of this small furniture for dogs and cats, and it's absolutely amazing. And she's also got a project you want to talk about. You don't mind talking in front of the group to me about your project?
Yeah.
So come on up.
Okay. So I want to try to make the Friends sofa from the coffee shop, if anyone's seen that show. I make them for cats and dogs. This would be the seat of it, and I wanted to try to get your feedback on it. I looked up a video on YouTube that Universal put up, and it was a guy building the actual frame of one of the sofas.
Yeah.
And so I based this off of what he has done, and depending on where you stood, then I was going to try to build the rest of it before future classes. And maybe during this time, I thought maybe webbing could go across.
Yeah.
And that's where I got as far as my thoughts.
Well, you
Over to you.
you happen to be talking to somebody who actually repaired the actual Friends sofa.
Okay. Perfect.
And I might as well tell the story. Did you see when you came in? Did you see
I saw the frame.
Michaela, who's our resident artist, by the way, graduate of Mass Art. Say hi to Michaela. She illustrated the Friends sofa that we repaired, but you know, I don't want to take up too much class time. I think this is a great, funny story. So I'm at the shop on Friday night, and I get a call from a woman, and she says, I can't tell you who I am or what I need. I do need upholstery work, but I can't tell you anything else about it. It's close, right?
She's thinking the queen.
I didn't know who it was, and she said, you're gonna have to just trust me. It was just a phone. It was just a voice on a phone. And she said, you're gonna have to meet me down at the Fenway. She gave me the address. It was a warehouse. A warehouse, like think fog and waterfront and all that stuff. That's what I was thinking. I'm game, so I said, okay, I'll just come down. I had no idea. So she said, meet me at the door, will be open. Meet me at the front door. Just haul from my name. So I opened the door, and it's a dark warehouse. It's very dark. And I said, hello, and I hear high heels coming, right? And she comes out, and she said, follow me. She doesn't say anything else. I follow. There's all these devices.
Tools,
I must be an idiot, but I followed. It was like a maze. It was like a mouse mazes, with the dividers. They had these dividers set up.
and you kept going.
I followed her. And then we get to the interior, and all the lights come on, and it's the Friends sofa. It's the set. The Friends, everything's
It's
there.
the set.
The whole set, the pool, the umbrella. Jennifer Aniston wasn't there. But my wife was happy about that. But and then the reason I was there is the sofa had broke, and it was one of these pop-up. They call it a pop-up. And there was something novel that nobody ever. I don't think they ever did this before. It was before COVID,
I did this with a different teacher actually, and he helped me with a lot of it, but I'm trying to get more independent and he'd be like, I would do one piece and he'd be like, oh, you need help over here, let's redo this, but I want to be able to do this quality on my own, and I know I'm not there yet. So.